Denim is one of my favorite materials, and you can catch me in jeans all year round. Today we're going to DIY 3 really cool ways to embellish and improve your jeans that's on trend for this spring-summer. I thrifted these Jordache pants and cut them into shorts. They're meh, but we're going to bedazzle them. I got these star-shaped split pins at Michael's for $2 and thought these would be a great no-sew or hammer option for embellishing. Because I don't wash my jeans often, I thought they'd be pretty well rust protected. Start by marking where you want the pins. I was going for a freehand sort of look, but still want to map it out so that I don't clusterfuck the pins in the wrong place. With the woven material in denim, it's very easy to push them through even with such wide pins and split open to secure. I placed most of the pins over the pockets so that I wouldn't have anything scratching on my thighs for comfort, and even less pins in the back of the shorts. This was such a quick DIY, I finished it in minutes. You can place any sort of stud in a fixed grid pattern or out your butt, but I like that it looks like stars scattered across the sky. The next DIY is all over Instagram. I have an old pair of acid wash jeans and bought knit ribbon trim. You can even get a ribbon with the red and green colors of Gucci or a checkered pattern that's also very on trend right now. I like the red and navy combo in this ribbon, and the knit material would make it much easier to move with the leg of the jeans. First, I wanted the raw edge of the jeans and cut off some length. Then, folding the top of the ribbon over, pin it under the waistband. Pin all the way down the leg and repeat on the other side, making sure the ribbons are mirrored against each other. Then snip off the ribbon about an inch past the hem because we're going to finish it off with this cool detail of the ribbon being longer than the pant, adding an extra touch. With this wide of a ribbon, you'll need to sew down both sides of it. Sewing on a machine is faster, but also trickier. I had to slowly shove the pants into the machine, sew down the middle, and flip it over and sew back up to meet the end, being mindful not to sew it through the pant leg, effectively sealing it shut. Hand sewing may be easier at a certain point, but I don't recommend gluing because with pants, any glue will probably not be able to hold the amount of movement your legs will make. Another pair of thrifted jeans, this time flared! Again, raw edging the hem with some satisfying scissoring. Only the PG kind of scissoring. Then with a grater, I sped up the fraying by doing a quick rub, also PG kind of rubbing. Taking some small silver beads and 2 different types of faux pearls, I parked myself in front of the TV and hand sewed a smattering of the beads onto the legs of the jeans using fishing line, in a pretty random pattern. I was worried since these jeans are so tight that the knotted ends would be itchy against my leg, but it didn't bother me at all. You can use white thread instead if you think the plastic line will irritate you. Be sure to bead down the back as well for a finished look. I don't know about you, but one of my pet peeves is seeing beautiful party in the front and just business in the back. Which DIY was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to be featured on social, be sure to tag me if you recreate any of these DIYs. Come find me at Letitia Q, and I'll see you next time. Bye!